Okay, hello. This is a video of my shop again. Well, the shop that I'm employed at. As I was saying in the first video, this is a 56 Ford that we just finished for a customer. We had to do a set of wheels and spacers for it. Find something that'll fit for the rear. We had to finish the exhaust work. And we had to put a new headliner in, because the headliner was all sagging and junk. It was completely destroyed. Quite pretty car. I'll be starting that up in a few minutes. I'll set the camera right up here for you guys. I hope the sound quality on this was decent. Then we got my boss's daughter's car here, saying it's a 47 DeSoto. See if I can get this thing started up. Set the camera right up here for you guys. Okay, as I see the battery is dead, I will get this started DeSoto on another video. Okay? So I'm going to start my Camaro slow. Just a stock Camaro. Alright, now just to say that was a few revs at $2,000 and a few revs at $3,000. Well, I hope that sounds good. Saying in my first video, it's our Ram truck that we mainly use most of the time. It's very nice. A little filthy and filled with shit, but work vehicle. And as I said, we have a destroyed Roush Mustang on the back that we're gonna gut and use the use the drivetrain for another vehicle. What vehicle we haven't decided yet. Well, I'm gonna show a couple more vehicles and then that'll be it for this video. Now right here we got a 59 F100 convertible, which I'm gonna find out if the battery's dead in this thing. If not, then I will start this. Set the camera up here so you can look at the pretty 56. Sorry about the camera falling. Yeah, this is a very big project in the works, but as you can see, all digital gauges and shit. I don't know how dark the video is. But it's a 302 fuel injected, full independent suspension 59 pickup truck. We gotta finish that up, and I'm not sure if we're keeping this one or not. Might resell this. Then we got a Cougar. I forget what year. I think it's 67 Cougar. We got on the tarp. Got another Galaxy. This one's actually a pretty one. We have an Olds. Got a Cadillac Alante, whatever. Don't care about that thing. Last thing I'm showing you today is a beauty right here. 302 in this Galaxy 62. Ready to run. This is actually for sale. We plan. The only thing we have left to do on this is we got to put a throttle linkage on it, and it's drivable. Although my boss doesn't care for Galaxies like that, so we will be getting rid of that. Now that's it for this video. I'll show you more videos as people would like them. Now I'm not sure on this one. This is supposed to be the longest car ever built. Well, one of them. Say it's supposed to be famous for being the longest car ever built. It's another vehicle that is for sale. You can see this this baby is mint. This thing is cherry looking. Alright, thank you. Also the 56 Ford that I showed earlier, revved up for you guys, is also for sale. Any inquiries, just message me, comment, and I'll get back to you guys. So just let us know, and I will post some more videos of unique vehicles that we come in here with, and I will leave you with this front picture here.